This, ladies and gentlemen, is my new horn, and it is Richard Simmons type loud, like stupid loud. We got some videos planned in the future for this guy. Oh, it's so gorgeously warm out. It's like 70 degrees. It's early December. It's 70 degrees. I love this. Unfortunately, it's only for like one day. I think over a Saturday. Friday it's supposed to rain. Saturday it's supposed to be, I think, a high of like 40s. Stupidly cold and possible ice, and I'm not going to be going out over this weekend, I don't believe. I do, however, have the new horn on, and it is loud, as I said. It's loud. We got some videos planned. But for now, we have to get over to our favorite moto place, Capital Power Sports, because we have our keys. Well, we have our key blanks. And then we have to go get them cut eventually at a locksmith, but they'll only do it for like $2 or something. Sometimes they'll even do it for free. I imagine they won't. Everything's so bright because I sort of rushed out the door, not changing my shield. That is where the transition shield does have its benefit of just don't have to think about it, just go and roll out. Traffic! We got the traffic! Like, oh, hey, traffic. I just hope my horn doesn't fall off. It's not on a approved mount, I should say, like manufactured. Well, that sucked. That was like the worst traffic I've ever seen on this particular stretch of road, and I'm not sure why it was that bad. I didn't see any cars. It's crazy loud. That's scary. It's staying. It's good. It's all good.